So it's cabinet knob day at the Art Estates.
Yep. I used to, before, kind of use the tape measure and eyeball, and sometimes that'd be a little crooked, I ain't gonna lie. But they actually sell these templates, and they actually come with these. So this one here is like good for the doors. See, you gotta stop up here and stop to the side. So when you're doing the bottom cabinet, like this one here, see how I got like a little stop plate here and here? So you can do this here. Bam, so it'll be perfect. And all you gotta do is figure out where you wanna screw it. So my center point, I think this would be perfect right here. So I use this hole right here, grab my drill. You don't have to use the drill bit like this. You can get a pencil and mark your hole, but I already did like this. So I'll just do a little starter hole, move the template out the way. Bam, then you take your knob. Y'all like these knobs right here? We'll put a link in the description below.
Should we link the plate too?
Might link the card that we use. Credit, baby. But you put your screw in on the back and then just twist the knob. And then what I like doing too, I don't really like tighten up this knob like on the door, because then if it's painted, then it'll kind of rip the paint, maybe. But I usually just like hand tighten it, and then I get my drill and tighten up that Phillips right here on the back of it. And then this other template, this is good for drawers. So you got a drawer like this here. You see I already put the knob on there, but see how it'll give you a center point. You put it right in the center and then it'll give you a center point, but I'm gonna do it like here. So bam, same thing, it give you your different holes, and all you do is figure out your center point or wherever you wanna put your knob at. With these here, we put the knob up here at the top because if you could look in the inside of here, it's an extra piece of wood right here, which means we had to go buy longer screws. That's what we had to do upstairs because I wanted to put it in the middle. That's pretty cool because it's up high, sure. Bam, easy access. And then we did the same thing with these here. And then with these cabinets up here, we not even gonna put the knobs on there because this is really like a cabinet to hide what's going on in here. But as you can see, I ran that vent from the range hood up and out of the chimney there. This is something I want to start doing because shoot, it's just another way to prevent fires, you know what I'm saying, from smoke and grease to be all up on the ceiling. So it gives us a way to exit that stankness out. Right. Especially when you're in a multifamily, you cooking, even like with cooking fish, like having this on is gonna put all that smoke and all that stuff out, just in case somebody else don't like the smell of fish. Even though these doors will be nice and sealed, so the smell won't come out, but shit, it's a house. It got cracks and crevices. It'll creep their way somewhere.